Hey everybody, in the last video we installed our GotBackup software onto our Mac. The next step is to connect our GotBackup account with our computer. So I'm going to come to my primary Macintosh hard drive. Yours might be named different. I'm going to come to my applications and I'm going to scroll all the way down until I see GotBackup. They should be in alphabetical order. There it is. Okay, now you're going to be asked to log into your account. So you're going to be displayed with your computer name. Mine is Joe MacBook Pro. I'm going to go ahead and click login. For this purpose, I have a demo account, so go ahead and put your unique password and username. I'm going to hit login, and you will be asked if you want to save your password. That is totally up to you. I'm going to hit not now. Now you're going to hit grant access. And now we have our account connected with our Macintosh. Awesome. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and start syncing our local folders with our GotBackup cloud.